welcome or welcome back to my channel if you're new here, and if you're a return subscriber, hey girl, hey. In today's video, we got the athletic shoes on, got the hiking backpack, so we are going on a hike. Today, me and my dad, say hey. Me and my dad are going to Sturtevant, whatever, falls, to go see the waterfall and also just get some good exercise in while it's still sunny outside. So I'm very excited for that. Me and my dad just recently got into hiking. Last week we went to Bonita Falls. And it was really pretty, it was really nice, so refreshing. So we're trying to make a habit out of this. So last time we talked about bringing y'all along, so this time for real we're gonna bring you guys along. That being said, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications down below so you're notified every time I make a video. Comment down below, like, are any of y'all into hiking? Like, I'm curious on what trails, if so, what trails have y'all done? Okay guys, so with that being said, we're about to finish packing up, preparing, and I'll see y'all when we make it there. Deuces!
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well. Still in love, so in love, still in love with me. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love.
Check out the view. Chat. It's gonna be a great hike. We made it up. We're about to go buy our adventure pass first. Let's get Daisy. She got her little backpack on. She excited. She knows what this means now.
You gonna pass me your shoes?
Got our packs, got our shoes. I'm gonna pass this to Dad real quick. Oof. But yeah, we're gonna get Daisy set up and then we're gonna get started on this hike-easy. See you in a minute. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Drove sandal. Y'all look down there. See the falls. Ooh. The dude in the video did say there's like a house down there, like an abandoned house.
Oh yeah. So this is an addiction because it's all downhill?
Uphill's gonna be terrible.
Huh?
Hill.
You see the train right there? Train track?
Yeah. The air smells so fresh. Got some fresh lumber. Yes, I do. They're so cute. 6, 7. Oh no. Sorry about that. Okay guys, we are, you can't see my watch, we are 1.71 miles in, and I'm gonna give y'all a disclaimer. My beginner hikers, this is not that beginner.
You ready? Oh.
Oh, how are we going? Like I was saying, oh, this hike, it's easy. Hey, it's easy. You're just going up and down hills. That's the problem. Your girl, Stairmaster couldn't tell me nothing. Like this. Easier than Bonita Falls. But very, huh?
I think we're getting closer.
You are definitely getting closer.
Yeah.
Come on, Diz. But I have to check in with y'all because your girl is losing her breath. Girl, I'm tired. We're gonna thug it out. See y'all in a minute. Woo!
That time it wasn't this successful.
You're telling me. Well,
It's definitely cold.
yeah. Yeah, it's cold. Sloshy. Worth it. I'm down.
We're the sun. Preferably the sun.
Preferably the sun. Alright guys, so that is Sturtevant Falls. It took us It took us 1.90, so it's basically 2 miles to get up here. So I'm starting to vibe. It's a 4-mile hike down. My feet are so. Dad's giving Daisy a treat. My dog, by the way. But yeah, this is a really fun hike. I know I complained like just 20 seconds ago for y'all. No, I'm really enjoying it still. But and now we are making the descent down to go take a break by one of the houses because contrary to popular belief, it is very cold up here. I'm freezing. So we're about to go sit somewhere. I'm gonna eat my crackers. I brought crackers to eat, drink my water, and then it's time to go home. So yeah, this is so beautiful, y'all. Like, look at that. Like, this makes life worth living. So with that being said, y'all, we're gonna head down. See you in a minute. Deuces! This would have been perfect for your project. Me too, Daisy. Me too. That was so worth it. All it takes is some water. I'm fixed. This is what hiking's about. This is so refreshing. I'm home and I'm tired. I am so tired, guys. I'm fighting for my life right now. I almost didn't want to film this outro, but I need to so I can edit another video that'll come out. Well, actually, the higher ball video that came up before this video, it's been taking like weeks to edit, so I need to finish that tonight if I don't fall asleep. Otherwise, I'm gonna edit tomorrow morning. But I need to just film an outro because I can't procrastinate. Anyways, guys, so overall, to give Sturtevant Falls, to give the hike a rating, it was a really nice hike. Like, I would give it an 8 out of 10. It lost 2 points because I hate walking uphill. That's it. I hate walking uphill. And it was a lot of uphill at the end. Very tiring hike. Would I say it's beginner friendly? Because TikTok keeps calling it beginner friendly. Kind of. It's intermediate. It's really easy to walk down a hill. Everybody can walk down a hill. Anybody can walk down a hill. You walk down a hill. But then when you get closer to the waterfall, now you're now you're walking over sticks, like big trees, and you're walking over rocks, and you're trying to do everything to not get in the water to get to the fall. And I feel like that's when it gets harder, and then it gets extra hard when you have to go back up that steep. It's not even steep. It's just a lot of uphill, and I think that's when it gets really tiring for some people, especially me. Lord. But y'all, this was so much fun. I think I'm gonna make this a series if I go. I'm probably not gonna film every hike, but I do want to film some of my hikes for y'all because I like filming for y'all. It was really aesthetic. But yeah, y'all, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications down below. Comment down below, like, would y'all watch a series of me just hiking, maybe with my dad, if my homies pull up, my homies, like, let me know what y'all want to see. Anywho, y'all, with that being said, I'm about to go hit the hay. I'm about to go knock out. I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next entry in my video diary. Bye.